Hey everyone, welcome back to Awaken Your Joy. I'm currently in Whitney Canyon in Santa Clarita. Third hike, new knee. It's about not getting back into the worst shape I'd ever been, but actually getting healthier. Path A or Path B. I'm officially out of shape. If you're gonna hike, get the hard part out of the way. That's up. That's down. Don't think this was the easy hike that we decided to take because it was basically straight uphill. It's gorgeous up here. It is a hike. Feels good, you know. I mean, the whole point of this aspect of what I'm doing is to get back in shape. You know, when you spend 14 years dealing with knee pain and not being able to enjoy what I love, which is being outdoors, you miss it. I crave this, and I'm gonna take advantage of my brand new knee and hike as much as I can. The hikes and these little adventures that I go on, it is gonna be all about just the journey and the hike. So you won't necessarily see this mug all the time, but you'll see like the places that I go. Downhill is definitely preferred. Wildlife in nature. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed hiking along with me. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification up there so you can be notified when I do post a video. I will have more of these hikes and these exploration videos, I guess you want to call them, of places that I find and can hike to. What we've learned about this hike: we took the wrong path and climbed up the hillside instead of taking the flat path that walks along this really pretty stream. This is why I went lighter on the gear, because that hill, that was a workout this morning. Don't go that way. Go that way. That goes up a mountain. That follows a creek. That's easier. Breathing exercises. Or is that the mountain that we were actually on initially? Oh, that's where we were. We hiked up a hill. We hiked up a hill. Stay tuned for my next hike. I'm not sure yet where it's gonna be. Till then, catch you next time.